You're stupid. Is it on now?
Yeah, it is.
Is it loaded yet? Your mom's loaded. Doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Do not shoot up.
Take your time, take your time, take your time.
I'm going to. Relax. Let go of me, you fool.
Alright.
Here, move. I'm going right here. Hey.
Yeah.
Cover me.
What? Get your stuff on.
Huh?
I love you.
Come here. Hey, move up. Move up. Colin, move up. Oliver, move up. Go, move. You can move. Hey, gotcha. The guy right there. 1, 2, 3. You're up. Hey, are you guys gonna move up? Stryker, move up! Move! Move! What's your 20? Repeat. What? You down? Get down. Let's see, you guys move.
Got a guy down over there.
Go, move. 1, 2, 3. Anyone up here? Yo, I'm coming through. Coming through. Hey!
Where you want to go?
Run out. I'm looking for something to do. You down? 1, 2, 3.
Where is he?
Shoot them right on the side there at the wall.
Over here.
Dang! Oh, I'm shooting you! Watch out! Move! Hey, you're down! Move! You're down! Hey, I need you to shoot the guy in there. Go against the wall. Go against the wall there and just shoot him. 1, 2, 3. You're out. Hey! Hey!
What?
I need you. There's a guy right there and all the guys are down right there. Can you light him up? Just go over there and see if you can get him. And you think you can shoot that guy? I'm back. Hey! 1, 2, 3. Come here. I need you. Forget about this. Yeah, there's still a guy up there. I need you guys to get him. So I can revive half our guys there. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Move. Hey, move. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Get up. Forget about this. I want you to go up there. Go. Move. 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 Hey. Get it. Hey. You. Go up straight against the wall there, all right? Get him right against the wall. Get on the wall. 1, 2, 3. Get him! Drag him back! Let's see you drag him back! 1, 2, 3. Come on, move! 1, 2, 3. Go! 1, 2, 3. Grab him! Grab him! Hey! Hurry up, grab him. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
I'm up.
1, 2, 3. Yee! Get Timmy. Throw a grenade in there. Kill him. I want that guy dead. Are you dead? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey, what's your 20?
Get out. Gotta get out.
1, 2, 3. In the camper. Yo, try dragging him. Hey, on the wall.
No.
Drag him. In the camp. I'm on your team, relax. Are you down? What? No. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yo, what's your 20? What was that? What? There's a guy in the camp. Where's he? There's 3. Where's he? He ran. Alright, I need to move. Where are you? Where are you?
I got him.
Bang! I'm responding. Bang! You're dead! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You're dead! You're dead! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go, kid. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Where we go? I don't know. Just cover me. Cover. I don't know. We need to cover me. Yo, is the thing on straight? Sorry. I got some people to help me, but you know, I'm kind of pinned. Right over there. Can you cover me? 1, 2, 3. We're coming from your left. We're coming from your right. I repeat. We're coming up on the right in the hospital. Move back that way. Move back to POW camp. Move, move, move. Colin, where are you?
Want to go to the hospital? They at the hospital?
Is that ours? Are you red? He's red. No, he's not. You don't have a red on. Show me your red. You're blue. You're not on our team. Come on. These guys just came out of nowhere. I had to go back to spawn. I was moving my way back up. I had all these guys over here to ride.
Trying to get back.
Yee! Yee! I tried to get back to you, but I couldn't. They killed me. I went back to spawn.
It was me and him lost alive. Baker got killed.
Well, you should have called me.
I tried the best I could.
I was trying to get back. I had everyone over here revived. So.